guys, and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. There are a lot of amazing websites on the internet. In this video, I'll show you 5 amazing websites you probably have never seen, and we're getting started right now. Number 1, 10-minute mail. As the name suggests, you only have this email address for 10 minutes. It comes in handy when you need an email address for subscriptions or any other purpose. Where they require email address, this can limit spamming in your everyday email accounts, and this email address will self-destruct in 10 minutes. All you do is just go over here and click on it to copy to your clipboard. If you need 10 more minutes, click right here. It starts this time all over again. Number 2, fake name generator. It's for those time when you need a whole new identity. So just go on here, change your gender, your name and your country, click on generate. And now it's showing my name, city and state, mother's maiden name. Here it got my credit card information. Over here for my employment details. The independent planners. Height 5 to 9 and 156 pounds. And I drive 1996 Suzuki Esteem. So check out the site. You want to change your identity, and remember, it's just for fun. Number 3, Maddon's Adventure Machine. This amazing site lets you create electronic beat tracks with just a few clicks. There are 3 colors. Here you just click on the blue ones, then select a red one, and then a green one. I'll show you how to do that right now. Number 4, Camel. Camel. If you consistently shop on Amazon, then you may have heard about this website. It shows you the price history of anything on Amazon. If you sign up, it can also send you alerts when there's a price drop, so it's real simple. You can enter keyword up here, or an Amazon URL for the Amazon URL. Just go to the page of the product that you were interested in purchasing. Copy the URL by Ctrl+C and go back here, and press Ctrl+V, hit enter. It show you the price history right here. Currently retailing for $27.99. The highest ever been is $29.99. And the lowest is $27.99, so this is a good site to check out if you want to make sure that you're getting the best deal on Amazon. Number 5, Hacker Typer. If you want to play a prank on your friends to make them think that you're some kind of super hacker with amazing typing speed, then check out this site. All you have to do is open up the site, just hit any of the keys on your keyboard. The site will show predefined code. When you type in a code, now people will think you're some kind of hacker genius. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, and share your ideas and suggestions and comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.